Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? What if I told you that you can make an extra $1,000 every single month without quitting your job? In this video, I'm going to share 5 powerful side hustles that anyone can start, even with little to no experience. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last one has the potential to change your life completely. The truth is, most people stay broke not because they're lazy, but because they don't know where to start. So let's fix that today. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start making money online. If you have any skill like writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, you can start earning today. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients from all over the world. Even beginners can make $5 to $50 per project, and as your skills grow, so does your income. You don't need expensive equipment to start. Create videos on motivation, finance, lifestyle, tutorials. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram can pay you through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Consistency is key. One viral video can change everything. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without holding inventory. You create an online store, list products, and when someone buys, a supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Your profit is the difference. It may take time to learn, but once it works, it can generate passive income. Do you know something others want to learn? You can teach English, skills like editing or coding, even school subjects. Use platforms like Zoom or create courses on sites like Udemy. People are willing to pay for knowledge. This is one of the easiest businesses to start. You design t-shirts, hoodies, mugs. When someone orders, the product is printed and shipped automatically. No inventory, no stress. If your design goes viral, you can earn while you sleep. The biggest mistake you can make is doing nothing. Pick one side hustle and start today. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to begin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Your future self will thank you.